This is a room tour of 2311 at Cardo Brussels. It's a king room. It's quite a nice room actually. On your right as you come in, there's the bathroom. You got a nice big shower, your toilet, and then your sink, a nice mirror and everything. It's very, very nice. And as you come out, you've got your closet with all lighting and everything. Nice mirror just in the corner. And we've got slippers and robes by the look of it. Ironing board, your safe, everything's covered in glass. You've got tea and coffee making facilities. You have your own fridge. And all the tea and coffee things are in here, so that's good. You've got all your glasses and everything. It's all very posh. There's lots of art and things. You've got a second fridge, and yeah, there's some. There's a little Smurf that comes with the room. But yes, it's a very nice room, and you've got your sort of sofa area.
It's me again.
Jess is relaxing, and then you've got your king size bed. Everything's on the controls. You can basically set it up so that it open and closes the blinds, turns all the lights on and off. It's very, very, very good in terms of what you can do. Everything's on that little screen. So yeah, we're well impressed with this room. I'll put up on the screen what we paid for it. We've got a little view. I mean, that way there's not much of a view, but there's a little view out the side. But yeah, so that is a room tour of a king room at Cardo Brussels. Thanks for watching. So just wanted to do a quick update at the end of the room tour. We're just about checked out. Well, we're not checked out yet, but we're packed up. We're about to check out. Just going to leave. It's been a lovely stay. Would definitely recommend this place, wouldn't we?
Yes, yeah. Fancy, relaxing.
Yeah. We had
nice.
A little issue, like we couldn't get on the Wi-Fi the whole time. The tablet in the room that was meant to show us different things about the hotel, we couldn't get that working until this morning, which it randomly started working. So, and the pool was shut for 2 days. So we did just have a go and have a little look at it this morning, but because it was checkout day, we didn't want to get all our pool stuff wet and then have to pack it. And then so I'll show you a little clip of the pool, or I'll just put a picture up of the pool on the hotel's website. But yeah, just wanted to update you with what it was. Stay was like. The bathroom, the shower's really good. It's got rainfall shower head, so that was quite nice. Bed's really comfy. Yeah, we slept both well. The coffee maker, so it's got everything you need really. And I think it was around £100 a night, so it's not expensive. But I'll put the price up on the screen.
There's plenty of storage room like everywhere. So.
Yeah. If you're here for an extended trip, you won't have a problem with storage. But yes, so that's the end of our little room tour and review. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.